Hey guys, today I'm going to take you through my typical wash day routine, which I usually do every 2 or 3 weeks. I go in with my Shea Moisture shampoo. I try to be generous with the amount of shampoo I put in each section. I proceed to finger detangle. Then I go in with my white tooth comb afterwards. I twist the section and tuck it away. I repeat the process throughout my hair. Well, I use an old t-shirt to dry out my hair just because regular towels tend to pull on fussy hair and this causes mad breakage. So a microfiber towel is highly recommended. But if you do not have one, you can use an old t-shirt like me. Using my Shea Moisture conditioner, I repeat the previous step of how I shampooed my hair. I cover my hair for 10 minutes before I go rinse off. I'm back and this shrinkage. Final step is apply my Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioner. I love this product so much because it just leaves my hair feeling soft and moisturized, Using the same 3 steps, I finger detangle, then I comb out and I twist. When I see fragile looking ends like this, I know it's time for a trim. I just snip the fragile ends away. I do this because the hair will eventually fall off, so why not trim it off now before you end up losing more hair than you expect when it falls off. When I'm done with the trimming, I tuck away the ends. I give my edges some extra love and care with castor oil, which has helped me with the regrowth of my edges. Ta-da! I think all my natural hair girls can totally relate to the time-consuming wash days. But we know that in the end, it is worth it when our hair begins to grow like trees. See, I was just trying to be deep and all that, but we have come to the end of this video. Thank you guys for coming to my yard to chill with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like. Give it a thumbs up. Please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Bye. Me and my peace, Aisha.